So, what is involved in settling an estate in California? Settling an estate in California involves several steps, and it's typically managed by the executor named in the will or an administrator appointed by the court if there is no will. Here's a general overview of the process. First of all, you got to locate the will. The first step is to find the will if there is one. The will specifies the decedent's wishes for the distribution of the assets. You have to file a petition with the probate. The executor must file a petition for probate in the county probate court where the decedent resided. The petition office officially starts the probate process. Notify interested parties. Notify all the beneficiaries named in the will as well as heirs of the proceedings. Publish a notice of the probate proceeding in the local newspaper to inform the potential creditors. Inventory and appraise the estate. The executor must inventory the decedent's estate, including real estate, personal property, bank accounts, and investments. An appraisal may be needed to determine the value of certain assets. Pay debts and taxes. The executor is responsible for paying the decedent's debts, funeral expenses, and taxes owed by the estate. Think estate taxes, final income taxes, etc. This may involve selling some of the estate's assets. Handle disputes. If there are any disputes, such as contests to the will or disagreements among the beneficiaries, they need to be resolved. This may involve mediation or court hearings. Distribute the remaining assets. After the debts and taxes are paid, the remaining assets are distributed to the beneficiaries according to the will. If there is no will, the assets are distributed according to California's intestate succession laws. Final accounting. Prepare a final accounting for the estate's finances for the beneficiaries for the court. This includes details about all the income, expenses, and distribution related to the estate. Close the estate. Prepare a final accounting of the estate's finances for the beneficiaries and the court. This includes details about all income, expenses, and distribution related to the estate. Close the estate. Once all the assets are distributed and administrative tasks are completed, the executor files a petition to close the probate process. The court will issue an order discharging the executor from their duties. It's important to note that the probate in California can be time-consuming, often taking several months to over a year, depending on the complexity of the estate and whether any disputes arise. Engaging in services of a probate attorney can be beneficial in navigating the legal complexities involved. Additionally, smaller estates may qualify for a simplified procedure, which can expedite the process.